Good afternoon and welcome back to the vlog. We haven't been able to do anything at all since the last video due to lockdown. So what we've decided to do is put a couple of photograph montages together of our last couple of trips. The first one being to Castleton in Derbyshire, where we stayed at the Castleton Caravan and Motorhome Club site just outside of Castleton village, and we stayed there for a few nights. We had mixed weather conditions, but all in all it wasn't too bad for us. There's plenty of pubs, restaurants, cafes in Castleton itself, and some lovely walks from the site. And the photograph montage that we've done is one of the walks that we did, probably one of the longer walks, where we went up Cave Dale and carried along to Mamtor and then across the Great Ridge to Loose Hill and then back down into Castleton, where we had a deserved pint at one of the pubs there. So we'll leave you with a montage and I'll come back to you shortly. The second trip that we did was to Aysgarth in North Yorkshire, which was at the end of October, just when lockdown came into force. We spent a few days there at a private site called Coleman's of Aysgarth. It has provision for hard standing for approximately 6 caravans or motorhomes. It's a lovely site. It has facilities on there, toilets, showers. You know, it's a nice small site right in the centre of Aysgarth. So from there we did 1 or 2 walks roundabout, but while we were there we had torrential rain and sunshine in between. But the river itself was in full flood, and the falls, as you'll see from the photographs, were in full flow. And we did actually get trapped in the valley there for one night because the road flooded from both directions, westbound at Bainbridge and eastbound at Leyburn. So we did an additional night's stay while the floodwater subsided and we could get past on the road. So the walk that we're going to show you is from Aysgarth Falls itself out towards Redmire and Castlebolton, following the path away from the falls, up the hill, towards Castleton, which is in view all the time, so it's an easy route to find. It sort of climbs up through the fields, and the last half a mile is on the road, or the quiet by road, up into Castleton. The castle itself is open for viewings. Obviously there's an entrance fee there, and there is a cafe, but the entrance to the gardens is free, so you can walk around that at your leisure. And then the return journey is back. If you walk past the castle on your left, keeping the car park on your right, you follow the pathway down diagonally to your left that goes back towards Caperby and Aysgarth. When you arrive in Caperby, there's a lovely pub called the Wheatsheaf Inn, and the pub itself actually featured in the TV programme All Creatures Great and Small. And then from there it's just a steady walk back down the hill into Aysgarth and a return to the site. So I hope you enjoy the photographs that we've put together, and it gives you a bit of something to look forward to, and probably it's a walk that you can even do yourselves and enjoy. So speak to you in a bit. I hope you enjoyed the short video that we put together with the photographic clips. There wasn't much coverage of the sites themselves because it's not something that we've tended to do, but we will bear that in mind for the future, and we will include in there coverage of the sites, probably showing the facilities a bit more and where the site is situated itself. But at the moment it's not looking like, you know, things are going to change until, I would say, at least April. We have some sites booked to visit in April, so hopefully if that goes ahead we'll be able to put some more interesting videos together in the future. So I'd just like to say bye for now, and we'll speak to you soon. Bye.